James. I'm back with another video, and as promised, I did say I was going to do a review on the Andriod engineering tune. And basically, you know, a lot of questions I get asked is like, oh, is it worth it? Like, should you buy it? This and that. But before I do any of that, I gotta get gas. As you guys see in my last video with the B7 S4 one, I always have to magically get gas. I don't know, I decide to do these things all the time when I have barely no gas. So yeah, let me get gas real quick and we'll be right back. All right, we're back. I got gas. Needed some gas, big time. All right, so let me just get into like the tune itself. So this tune, I have the Stage 2 single pulley tune. Roll my window up. And it's on 93 octane because in Jersey we have 93 octane. They do have 91 files for like people that don't have 93 octane in certain states or areas. But what it does is increases your RPMs. What's the other one? Shift responsiveness is actually pretty damn quick. Like in my low gears, like just I'm like already in like 5th gear, just driving at low speeds. Hello, just want to get closer. Okay. Is that then ups the boost, of course. A couple other things it does too. I mean, I'll drop the link for you guys. Everything it does, can't think off the top of my head, but this is just giving you guys like my point of view of driving it and what it feels like. What's going to my mods? My mods for this car that you know you should have when tuning your car for like a stage 1 setup. Most guys are always going to tell you, you know, intake, heat exchanger. Heat exchanger is a must. Is a big must. For me, I have AWE full exhaust. Catback. I also have AWE downpipes, not resonated, integrated engineering, intake. What else? I forgot, mainly just all the little performance mods, like nothing too crazy. Oh, Merc heat exchanger. Shout out to Merc, greatest heat exchanger all time. You'll see people rave about it in the chats and everything like that. It does its job. And it's definitely like one of the first mods you want to put in your car. I will put that in my car. Besides maintenance, besides doing maintenance. But all right, I want to get into like actually just, you know, like driving it, show you guys what it's like, and then it's up to you if you guys want to buy it or not. You know, like I said, this is just my experience with integrated engineering tuning. If you guys see my previous video, I showed you how to upload the tune and everything like that. I have the wireless dongle. Shout out to Chef for giving me the dongle. That makes life so much easier because you can tune these things on the go, and we love that. We love being able to tune on the go. Of course, there's traffic, and I want to like get into the nitty gritty with this whole thing. Let's see if I can do my thing. Well, while we're dealing with traffic, okay, I guess everybody's out and about today. But anyway, as far as integrated engineer pricing, I will also, like I said, drop the links there. You guys can figure out how you want to purchase, how you want to go about purchasing. The price is not bad. It's not bad. It is not bad. I will definitely recommend that dongle. That dongle saves your life. It does save your life. It's like an extra like 180 bucks, but like it's definitely worth it because you can do the tuning from your phone. Like I said, previous video, I have the links if you guys need to get it for your Apple, iOS, things like that. But actually, we can open up a little bit. Open up. Slight little pull, but it does pull a lot. Let's see if I can really get into it. Slow down a little bit. Slow down real quick. We'll go from 3rd. Slow, you'll cut in front of me. Pulls. Gotta love DSG farts, guys. DSG farts are like amazing. So I definitely want to launch the gears. So the way this thing shifts, it like dumps into the gears like kind of hard, like it just goes, it just dumps, like literally just poof. It's like you know, for you manual drivers, when you dump your clutch, that's what it's like. It's just like dumping your clutch on a DSG, like. It's like, it's very hard impact. It's not like super smooth, I guess. On full throttle, I don't know how to put it, but I mean, hey, it gets the job done. This thing does haul ass. I just wish that the lanes were a little bit open. All We got a short little opener right here. That thing haul! That thing haul, and that blower is blowing.
What do you mean by that?
It's making noises. Sound like a damn Hellcat. That thing is going. It is smooth too. Like, you don't even feel it. You don't even feel it. Like, it's different. Like, other cars I've driven, like, you know, we have tunes and stuff like that, you know, like muscle cars and all that. You can, like, feel like, oh, I'm going fast. But no. Like, you don't feel that you're going fast in this tune. Like, you just don't feel it. Like, I was literally like 2 gears, and the thing was just ready to keep going, and it just had more. The torquiness on these things are like ridiculous. They have great low end torque. Hey, so far I'm liking it, man. I'm liking what integrated engineering did with that. Oh, the scrape! I hurt my ears. Oh my god, I'm liking it so far. I mean, like I said, there's not too many mods that you really do with these cars, but like you just take care of the main ones, and then you slap a tune on these things. Are a whole different car. You can also have crackle. Integrated engineering does give you crackle and like launch control and all that. If you have a 2012, the end of the year B8 models, they cannot launch. It just does not work. They'll throw your car in a limp mode. It does not work. So just throwing that out there, guys. But if you want crackle and all that stuff, you can have that. I don't have that. I still have my cats. I do not have like the test pipes or anything like that. I like these cars with cats on them still. They sound great. When you get the cat, like the cap test pipes and all that stuff, like these cars just sound shitty. They, excuse my language, but they sound terrible. And I'm just not a big fan of it. But it's dope that integrated engineering gives you all these like options. You even get like, you get the transmission tune too. I also recommend that as well. Like I have the transmission TCU tune on this as well. And like, if you look, like I said, if you guys reference my last video, you can see it on there too. Like you can set up where you want your shift points are and things like that. I like that. I like that to be able to do this mobily and throw any tune I want on, like especially if I'm in like traveling to a different state. They might not have certain things. I have to lower my octane level so I don't tear my car up, you know, so I can put it on a different octane map. They have tunes for double pulley setups as well. Like they have a nice little list of tunes you can put on there, so like very versatile when it comes to like them allowing you to tune your car in different ways. I'm not double pulley, I'm a single pulley guy, and I'm telling you right now, I'm absolutely loving it right now with this tune on here. It's great, fun time. Hello, what are you doing? Okay, I guess I'm just gonna get over to the next lane because you thought it was cool to do that. Okay. Pairing these cars with exhaust and intake, all these they really need. They just need little basic things like intake, full exhaust, heat exchanger. Boom. You're good. I will say, since this tune is like, it's pretty good for like daily driving. Like I do daily drive this car, like, and it's been great. Like going through the motions, driving it, it's great. Not saying you can't daily drive a double pulley. I see guys do it all the time. But yeah, you know, integrated engineering. These guys, they did their thing with this one. They did their thing. Definitely a great tune. These guys, they worked it. They worked it for sure. I'm gonna see if I can get somewhere else so I can get out and talk to you guys a little bit more about the tune. All right, guys, I found somewhere to park at a nice little hotel parking lot. Was looking for a park, but I couldn't find one. But my reviews of this car overall, with having the integrated engineering tune, I like it. I definitely think it's worth a buy. If you're looking for good gas mileage, this is not it. This is all miles per gallon, guys. You buy it soon. I hope you're not looking for gas mileage, but responsiveness it has, speed it has, supercharger whine it has. Like you hear that thing rip, and it's so seamless, like so smooth. Like it's smooth how they get it, like how you can get into it. Like that was like third gear. I was doing pulls in like my third gear. I couldn't do too many crazy pulls because I mean traffic. I don't know, Sunday, football Sunday. You know how that goes, guys. But I like it. I like it. If you're going to look into getting this tune, like I said, I'm going to have the link in the description section so you guys can look for it. I recommend the dongle so you can do tuning on the go. I recommend you doing your maintenance first as well. On top of your maintenance, you should definitely, I cannot stress this enough, get a heat exchanger.
You have Merc heat exchangers, and you have CTS heat exchangers. Personally, I like Merc. It's because I have Merc. The original order put on Merc, so I'm gonna be a Merc lover because it's doing my car justice. Intake for little tunes, the whiny noises. You know, if you want some like cool whiny noises, Hellcat noises, I like to call them. Full exhaust, yes. You don't have to have a full exhaust for the stage 1 setup, but I mean, it sounds dope. I mean, I like mine's. Ooh, we hear them fans kicking on. But 100%, I like IE. Dope people. I've actually spoke to some of the representatives there. They were pretty promptly on like responsiveness too, like if I had any questions and everything and whatnot. So, you know, shout out to those guys for, you know, doing their thing, being responsive. But yeah, thank you for joining my review. Any questions or comments? Anything I missed, you know, play with a bag. Anything I missed, you know, let me know. Talk to me, guys. Talk to me in the comments what you want to see more of. What else can I go over about this tune? Because this is very straightforward with this tune, man. It's so straightforward. I don't want to make this like a 20-minute video. I want you guys to be like, all right, either I'm going to buy it or I don't buy it. Straight like that. Yeah, I'll see you guys on my next video. Take care. Message me. Chat with me. I'll see you guys.